Yo, he's talking shit. He needs to mind his business. He asked him. Mustard.
But this not out there.
No, how am I eat my hot dog with no mustard?
7-Eleven. Doritos, chili and cheese, Fritos, to the chili and cheese.
And one is the pineapple, orange, banana, apple, mango, passion fruit, coconut water. And then this one is tart cherry, purple carrot, blackberry, pomegranate, cranberry, and acai. Which one?
That's what got her.
Yeah. Not everything. I've never seen this juice. When they had a nice pineapple juice, I might be good because it looked good. I'm gonna get it.
Call
Hey
myself
Siri,
B.
what is flash pasteurized?
Just eat consciously. Know that if you just put some bullshit in your body Tuesday, you might not need to eat for the rest of the week. Fasting is good for you.
It is a process used for pourable products such as juices. The process involves high temperatures and short time treatments of heating the product for 3 to 15 seconds to a temperature that destroys harmful microorganisms. That's bad?
How about that? That sound bad to you?
No. That sound bad to you?
No, I just somewhere I seen like where that's the technical definition.
Y'all, we just seen a rat dog. Y'all ain't never seen no rat dog.
Coat and the chicken.
Yeah. It was all in one package. He's tweaking right now, y'all. Let me make sure real quick before you get too late. Yeah, I've really just seen a rat dog.
Fuck.
The whole time it was a cat. I'm scarred. I'm plug. I want for up. You got delivered.
It delivered.
Damn, baby. You fine,
no,
baby.
he text me.
Oh. I know there ain't no owls in this bitch, but who the fuck? I know not y'all probably don't know, but my phone act like y'all don't want to work when it's not on the Wi-Fi. Yes, and the hits. Alright, y'all, we gonna come back when something's going on, because it's nothing really going on at the moment. We're just driving home, and yeah. Oh, what the fuck? She know you? Damn, why does that always happen? But no, look on the back of it though. It was like more vegetable like, right? So I'm like, no vegetable.
She's talking about, oh, no vegetable.